Emotional boom back. Jazz piano. Emotional boom back. 85, 92 BPM. Emotional boom back. Key, minor key, minor key. Yeah, straight flow. A hot to me action. Feeling up, sitting alone at night, rain outside. Mind heavy, pain, but still dignity and growth. Genre, emotional boom bap, just hip hop. Tempo, 85, 92 BPM, slow, heavy, reflected. Key, minor key, D minor, a flound of psalmy. Lil Demi and Wiz, slow direction. Jazz piano, sad chord progressions. Finally crackle, potato piss for nostalgia. Love play bass, a low warm bass line, strings off wide guitar riffs. Subtle strings, a quiet path of pain depth, the vocal style. And motion, tire voice, air painful, confident progression, clear lapella, bar heavy, optional, female vocal. Soft humming, a whispered apologies, apologies. High ad libs, emotional low back. Yeah, by the kid, oh flow, direction. Off flute, direction. Low flow, just stroke off beat. Double time briefly, then slow again. Emotional bone right. 85, 92 BPM. Emotion. Deep sadness, betrayal, memory, subliminal. Feeling of sitting alone at night, rain outside, mind heavy. Pain, but still dignity and growth, dignity and growth. The mix and master feel warm, slightly muffled highs, vocal up front, intimate, light reverb, one hook only, no over polish, keep it raw and real. Emotional rap stories, ex-love pain songs, life struggle and reflection tracks. Life struggle and reflection tracks. Yeah, emotional bend back, conscious hip hop, tempo 85, 92, BPM, slow, heavy, effective.
Flow. Emotional boom bap. Conscious hip hop. Temple time briefly. This flow again. Emotional boom bap. Yeah. Off the emotional Jersey, music prompt, tempo 85, 92 BPM, slow have a key, minor key, D minor preferred, dusty boom bap drum, Ponce's hip hop oh 85, 92 beat, ass slow, heavy, effective, key minor her preferred, soft lo-fi guitar riffs, optional, emotional feel, subtle strings or quiet path for pain depth, vocal style, emotional. Tired full, all paid for, confident progression, clutched all the telling board heavy, optional female vocal, soft humming or whispered apologies, crying ad libs.
Sorry, forgive me.
Flow. Direction, offbeat, emotional, dungeon, music crumb, jazz, piano, 85, 92, Davion, line of crackle, tape hits for nostalgia, pant bass or low warm bass line, soft lo-fi guitar riff, subtle strings, a quiet pad for pain depth, vocal style, emotional, tired voice, high, powerful, confident, progressing, clear, slow, telly, bar heavy, optional, female, volume, soft humming, a whispered apologies, crying ad libs. Bar big, so emotional boom bap, slow again. Yeah, emotional boom bap. Yeah, offbeat, emotional turns of music prompt. Chaffee 85, 92, Weeviet, slow, heavy, feeling of sitting alone at night, rain outside, mind heavy, pain but still dignity and growth, Camix and master feel, warm, slightly muffled highs, vocal up front, intimate, light reverb on hook only, no over polish, keep it raw and real, best for emotional, rap stories, ex-love, pain songs, life struggle, and reflection tracks,